About you and yourself, your teammates, and where are you from, and after that you have to describe your project.
I'll start. Uh, Good morning, everyone. Me, myself, Sharan K. Nainan from Providence College of Engineering, Changanur, Kerala. We have recently passed out BTech in Civil Engineering. As this is my team, Gayatri Vinod, Jidin Suresh, Sonimon PM, Shivapriya, and Siddha Vijay. We, as a team, has come to a solution to mitigate the groundwater and recharge our groundwater using sustainable materials and less cost efficiently. This is our prototype 1 and prototype 2. Both are working models where our idea suggests that the stormwater from the drainage is connected onto the both sides of the stormwater drainage as usual. So our idea suggests that to provide gravel pits inside the stormwater drainage. On providing gravel pits inside the stormwater drainage, the stormwater coming or the flow of the stormwater is transported vertically downward through the gravel pit so that the quantity and the quality of the groundwater is increased. So you are
Yes.
working?
So the demo of your project.
Okay.
Of your prototype.
Well, water.
So is it dirty water?
Yes, sir.
The impurities are in it. Tell me the impurities you are adding.
So usually in a stormwater drainage, when the flow is coming, only there will be mostly soil, sand, and the debris will be there, plastic waste. But plastic waste can be stuck in this both meshes.
Okay.
Both meshes.
In these meshes.
In these meshes, it will not go inside. As you can see when we
Removable
put
or not?
Yes, this can be removed and maintained.
Okay.
on maintenance.
So this is the big prototype where.
And
1:2 scale.
Okay.
And this is 1:4 scale.
So it will protect the plastic waste to go inside.
Go
Yes.
inside. Any debris.
so that it will not clog.
അതൊക്കെ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടോ നീ പുള്ളിയുടെ കൂടെ തരും
Light.
As this is a scale, this is a prototype of scale 1:4. The water travels easily through the permeable layer, and you can see the water right there.
Yeah, it's there.
Sir, you can also see the sand get clogged here. It will not go inside. So that there is no clogging in the mesh.
So now it's working or not?
Yes, it's
sir,
working.
It's completely working.
The main focus is to since we are suggesting it to use in large scale, our main focus is to make it most cost efficiently. From our cost analysis, it is shown that per pit it's only up to 250 rupees per meter. That per meter. So if in a large scale, if we are borrowing a auger machine, it can dig the holes much easier in a larger scale in the national highways. Since we have known that it's our responsibility to take rainwater through the ground, this is an efficient solution to reduce the ground to reduce our pressure on ground treatment plant and increase our groundwater
So it will only increase the groundwater level.
Quality and quantity.
quality.
And quality.
Also,
If any idea to use this water for any other purpose, do you have any idea, or just you are using this idea for increasing groundwater?
now our idea is like that. Also, we can prevent in some cases floods. Like there are cases like water don't dip down into the soil and water like get clogged onto the surface. So in some cases there is in Kerala also we can see flooding. So in some cases we can prevent that also. If we
Kerala is the example where
Yeah.
you want to use this method.
No, you can use anywhere.
also we can use it here also.
Any two names where you want to use this method?
You can use in Kerala,
Okay.
Tamil Nadu, anywhere you have a national highway. On both sides you will be having drainage, stormwater drainage. So we
Even
it can be used anywhere where there's rainfall, basically.
Yes,
And
yes.
one more thing is that we designed these gravities just like an intermittent sand filter, which is used in factories for filtering the water. Yeah, this is basically it is just like the municipal water that we get from the municipalities.
It's in the factory also for
Yeah.
cleaning water.
Yeah, they
The same
use
concept.
the same designs like the depth and
Sir is asking
sizes.
this water can be used for industrial area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can be used. We can use it.
So as we have known the latest news that Jharkhand, the capital of Indonesia, is sinking because of excessive use of groundwater by the industries. They are not replenishing it. But if we adopt this method, they can use how much water they want and it will be replenished naturally. Since we only use natural materials, they are percolating naturally and filtering naturally. Same like what happens to the ecosystem. So we have a balance between ecosystem, rainwater and groundwater. So how much water we take, it will be replenished easily.
Because of the its use in the industry is very good. Because the industry that directly put the water in the water body, or sometimes it is directly through in the soil. So you can see the industrial area, the groundwater is very poor, but the water is very poor.
Yeah.
So here you will be there for you can use this method
Yes, sir.
for also improving quality of the groundwater.
Yes, sir. Since when the groundwater is transported through the gravel pit, it pushes the saline water
Now,
downwards, so that the rainwater, the good quality rainwater, is filled above the groundwater, and can be easily used.
So basically, it improves the quality of the groundwater by dilution method.
We can use anywhere. This we can use in many places.
yeah,
Yeah.
many places we can use.
Throughout the world, we can use it when there's rainfall.
For the
So
main
industrial purposes, I mean, industries are basically not allowed to flush off their sewage to drainage. Okay, so much attention, right?
since the drainage is
They
kept.
just flush it off to the river, like sources like that. So this helps us to be less dependent on such sources, and we could be more dependent on the groundwater, which is the purest water, which will be the purest water. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
അടുത്ത ഒഴിക്കാൻ അവരോട് ഒഴിച്ചിട്ട് പോയ സാർ പുറത്ത് അടിക്കുക സാർ ഫ്ലോ വരും സാർ. So after 30 minutes, we can get purer water than here.
Okay. After 30 minutes, you get pure
Pure
water
water.
from here
Yes,
to.
because
We can
it's
see.
a big
We
prototype.
can already
It's a big
Big
prototype.
prototype.
So
It will take time.
Yeah.
That's good.
But the water will be much better than the
We can see the water all coming from all sides. From
Okay.
the mesh, it will fall down. ഞങ്ങളെ തോപ്പിക്കാൻ നോക്കരുത് സാർ.
Water is coming out.
സാർ അതല്ലേ ഓക്കെ.
Thank you, sir.